If you want to power off your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then we have three main ways that allow you to do so. The first method is to press and hold the side button and either volume button. So if you press and hold these two buttons for a couple of seconds, eventually you should be able to open the power menu. And now over here we need to slide this power button into the right side over here in order to power off your iPhone. The second method is to go to Control Center. Over here in the upper right corner, we have this power button, so we can press and hold it, and after like half a second you should be able to feel a little vibration over there. I'm not sure why I am actually, there we go. And now over here, of course, you can just do the same thing. And the third option to power off your iPhone is to go to Settings, then choose General, scroll all the way down, and then we have the shutdown option. So you can tap over here, we can open the power menu and slide to the right to power off. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.